Don't spend any more money on strong cleaners. Many people don't know. Toothpaste mixed with lemon. The decontamination ability is directly consecrated. After reading this, can save a lot of money on cleaning supplies. It is recommended to like the collection first and watch it slowly. Hello everyone and welcome to Gourmet Dishes. It's super simple. You can have all the ingredients at home. First, cut the fresh lemon in half. Squeeze out all the lemon juice with a juice press. Pour into a bowl. Then, squeeze the lemon juice into a toothpaste about 15 centimeters long. Sprinkle with a little baking soda. Stir well. Delicate bubbles will pop out in an instant. The magic decontamination reaction occurs. Toothpaste is not just for brushing your teeth. It comes with a fine grinding particle decontamination activator. There are also bacteriostatic ingredients. Can polish stubborn stains on the surface. Brighten the countertop. Lemons are rich in natural citric acid. Lactic acid can decompose scale. Soap scale comes with a fresh fruity aroma. Remove odor without pungent. After stirring and fusion, pour in half a bowl of water. Mix again to dilute. Prepare a color spray. Pour in all the prepared cleaning solution. A bottle of pure natural multifunctional decontamination spray. It's done. Like a sink in the bathroom at home. It's been a long time. The edges are full of yellowing scale. Soap scale water stains. I can't wipe it off no matter how I brush it. It looks dirty and grows bacteria. Put this spray directly. Spray evenly on the stained area. Let stand for 3-5 minutes. Let the solution fully dissolve the stubborn yellow scale. Then take a scouring cloth and gently wipe it back and forth. No need to rub hard. Yellowing stains automatically fall off. Pool scale is mainly calcium carbonate. Citric acid and lemons can quickly decompose calcified stains. Toothpaste grinding particles. Grinding residual. Soap scale. Baking soda bubbles drill into gaps to peel off dirt. 3 combined. Does not hurt the ceramic glaze surface. Gentle without hurting hands. Finally, the water flushes. The water quality is white and translucent. All the black marks in it disappear. Smooth to the touch without residue. Exactly the same as the brand new countertop just installed. The kitchen sink is more difficult to maintain. Long-term vegetable washing and dishwashing. Accumulation of thick grease and food residues. Ordinary oil pollution. Net pungent smoke. The chemical smell is particularly strong. Also put this lemon spray. Spray on the oil stain at the lower nozzle of the inner wall of the pool. Let stand for 2 minutes to soften the grease. Simply wipe it with a scouring cloth. The solidified oil stain will fall off as soon as you wipe it. Even the sticky residue from the sewer can be cleaned up. Citric acid dissolved oil caking. Toothpaste surfactant quickly emulsifies oil. Baking soda absorbs odor. Natural formula non-irritating. Cleaning the dining area is more secure. Finally, rinse with water. The sink is not greasy and sticky. Leaves a faint lemon scent. Degrease and deodorize. Low-cost homemade clean water. 2 major problems in the bathroom and kitchen are solved at one time. Materials are available at home. Save money and be safe. I think this coup is practical. Hurry up and like the collection. Forward to family and friends. I will share more home cleaning tips in the next issue. I am Yao Yao. See you next time.